Hello everyone. So this is the part 2 of our video lesson for today. So ang topic na to will be about the similarity of figures. So before mo mag-watch sa part 2, una sa ang part 1 sa atong video lesson about the similarity of figures. Okay? So without further ado, let's start. So mag-draw ko sa ako og triangle. Sige. Mag-form sa akong triangle. Let's say this one, this. Okay, so this is the first triangle. Then I will draw another triangle. Okay, then this one. Okay, so mo ni siya. So let's assume that these two triangles are similar to each other. Then we will name this one triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Let's say that AC has a length, or AC measures 20. Then this one is let's say 10. After that, this one AB, let's say this is 15. Then DE is the unknown, or the X. So we're going to find the measurement of DE. So how are we going to find the value of X? So let us apply the ratio and proportion nga method. Okay, so there are methods, or there are ways on how to form the proportion. Okay, so first we're going to look for this one. We're going to use the given sa first triangle, then sa second triangle. So let's have 15 over 20. Then equals, so first is 15. So diri nga part sa triangle, sa first triangle. So diri pod sa kaduha nga triangle, ari sad ka magsugod. Okay, or diri ka mag-start. So start niya is X, then over, then ari sa ubos, which is kaning DF, which is 10. Okay, so kato gidiscuss naman ako sa part 1 sa video lesson about ani, that if you're going to form, or if you're going to make the proportion, so it is more on patterns, no? So sa left side is 15 over 20. So ang pattern niya is kaning AB, then AC. So paana siya. Okay, then kani po dapat paana po niyang pattern. Okay, sige, muna siya. Next, cross multiply. So 20 lang atong ibutang ang solution diri. So 20. Okay, so this is 20 times X, so that's 20X. So itapad na siya. Then equals 15 times 10. Then that is 20x equals 150. So that is 150. Then divide both sides by 20. So you have the value of X. Kani siya sa left side, cancelled out na siya. So the value of X is equal, so let's divide. So 150 divided by 20. Then 150 divided by 20, so that is saba let's say this is, kung 8 ka, 160. Kung 7, 140. So 7 times 20, that is 140. Then 150 minus 140, so that is equals 10. So ang answer niya is 7 and 10 over 20. So ang 10 nga remainder, may mo siyang numerator, then ang kaning divisor which is 20 denominator. Since wala pa ni ma-simplify ang kaning 10 over 20 into simplest form, so let's simplify. So this is x equals 7, then kaning 10 og 20 ma-simplify man na siya, so kani siya automatically ang iyang kuan is by 10. So 10 divided by 10, 1. 20 divided by 10, 2. So the answer is 7 and 1/2. Okay? Or if you're going to express your answer in decimal, pwede sad. So let's continue with this one. So arita sa 150 divided by 20. So balik ta dire. So nata remainder 10. So let's put up decimal point, then 10. Then we're going to bring down the 0. Then magbutang ka diri og decimal point, then 100 divided by 20, so that is 5. Then 5 times 2 is 5 times 20 is 100. Then subtract, then 0. So you can have also the answer x equals 7.5. So it's either of the two. Okay? So it's either 7 and 1/2 or 7.5. So parehas na siya. Okay? Sige. Let's have, okay, let's use another method na pod. No, same example, but we're going to use the different one. Okay? So ang paagi gapon is mag-form gyapon tag ration proportion, but lahi na sad ang pattern. Okay? Sige, ako sa ning pang delete. Okay, delete. Okay. So mura gyapon natong given. So katong unang pattern is paana, no? From here, then going down. Then there is sad here going down. Okay? So pwede po ta mag-pattern. We will start here sa 20, then start at this 20 sa AC, then padoong AB. Okay? So may mo siyang 20 over 15. So 20 over 15, then equals, so kung diri ka nag-start, ari po ka mag-start sa kaduang triangle, 10 then x. So ana na siya. So that is 10 all over x. So same gapon, 20 times x, so 20x gapon. So 20x equals 150. So kuan ra gapon, same ra gapon ang solution. So you have the value of x, which is 7.5 or 7 and 1/2. Okay, so parehas ra gyapon ang answer. So dapat kay third method, same gyapon ang procedure. Okay, we're going to use again the ration proportion. So naka-focus man ta una, tong una dire man, no, una ang so ang una nga pattern, no, katong akong gi-illustrate, so ana, then ana sa to, then ang kadua is ana, then ana siya, then sa katulo. So we're going to use this one. We are going to have a ratio comparing the sides of the first triangle and the sides of the second triangle. So AB, which is 15, then all over DA, which is 10. Okay, so kani, then kani, then equals, so ang side sa first triangle dapat side pod sa first triangle. So ang side sa first triangle sa another one is 20. Then all over this one, ito lang, sayop ko, So stop. Okay, so dapat tayo laing pa nga ways on how to form the proportion. So ganiya katong una is ana ang pattern, di ba? Tong first the first solution inato ang pattern. Then ang kadua is nag-start na dire, then padung dire, then ang kaduha pod ana, di ba? Then on the third one, okay, so let us have first the ratios, no, comparing the first sides of the triangle then ang kaning kaduha. So 15 all over x equals, so kung say pattern rin sa left side mo po ang pattern sa right side, the sides of the first triangle, so ang side po sa first triangle, so which is 20, then all over kani 10. So 15 over x equals 20 over 10. So kung nag 15 over x ka, dili ka mag 10 over 20 kay we are using the pattern. Kung usay pattern sa left, mapod ang pattern sa right, or usay pattern sa left sa left side sa ratio, mapod ang right side sa ratio, mapod ang pattern sa pagbutang sa ratio. Then ang proportion mo na ning 15 over x equals 20 over 10. So mura gyapon, same gyapon, 20x equals 150. So you have the value of x which is 7.5. Parehas ra gyud. Or you can have this one. So ang kaupat is this. So mura gyapon ang pattern, maghimo gyapon tag ratio comparing the sides of the first triangle sa sides sa second triangle. So ari ka mag-start 20 og 10. So mahimo siyang 20 over 10 equals, so first 15, di ka mag-start sa x kay first over second po ka. So 15 all over x. So same gyapon, ang x gyapon nato is 7.5 or 7 and 1/2. Okay? So it's either of the four ways on forming the proportion, for as long as nagsubay mo sa pattern niya. Okay? Okay, so let's have another example. So kaning example, as you can see sa screen right now, so mao na siya ang rectangles, no? Two similar rectangles. So I have to name this one, let's say J, K, J, K, L, M. Then other one is let's say A, B, C, D lang, no? Para mas dali man, A, B, C, and D. And as you can see, ang ML measures 75, DC measures 25, then ang BC is 18, then ang unknown ang KL. So X, di ba? So let's have the solution. So kung unsa atong gibuhat sa unang example, mo sa datong buhaton sa second. So first we're going to make the ratio on the left, then ratio sa right, then equals para ma-form siya proportion. So let's start with this. So ang pattern nato kay ana, then paana. Okay? So 75 over x equals 25 over 18. So muna atong buhaton. So 75 over x equals 25 over 18. So dapat dili magbali ang 18 ug 25. So ang 18 sa ubos, 25 sa babaw, kay proportional man. Dapat ang 75 proportional sa 25, or ang ML proportional siya sa DC. Okay? Kay parehas man sila, similar man sila. Okay? Then 75 over x, so x then equals 25 over 18. Then 25x equals 75 times 18. Then 25x equals let's multiply 75 times 18, That is 1,350. So 1,350. Then divide both sides by 25. Cancelled out the left side. So x na lang nabilin. So you have the value of x, which is, so divide. So you have the value of x, which is 54. Okay? So mo ni ang answer. X equals 54. So another forms of proportions, so we can be x all over 75 equals 18 over 25. So it can be this one. So mura gyapon ang answer niya is 54. So mo na ang katulo, pwede pod ang pattern ana. So x over 18 then equals 75 over 25. So mo ni siya ang maporma nga proportion. So you can have this one, x over 18 equals 75 over 25. So parehas sa gid siya og answer. It's either this one, this, or this. So pili ra mo ng tulo. So choose of this one. Then napade ka upat. So pwede ka ni 75 over 25 equals x over 18. So 75 over 25 equals x over 18. So parehas sa gyud. Kani. So you can try solve this kini or this one. So same gyapon ang answer, which is 54. Okay? So I hope na amoy na sabtan sa akong video lesson karon. So thank you for watching. God bless and goodbye.